gather round. It's time for fun. That's
Hello, kids. Welcome to Alphabet Adventures. I'm your host, Sparky the Monkey. And today, we're going to explore the exciting letter E. This is our friend, Eddie the Elephant. Say hi to Eddie, everyone. Eddie's here to help us discover all the amazing things that start with the letter E. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, let's find some E words in the garden. Look over there. It's an eggplant. Eggplants are a yummy vegetable. Can you say eggplant?
Eggplant!
Great job! Did you know that in the beginning, when God created the earth, He created a garden? The garden's name also starts with the letter E. It's called Eden. I can show a Bible verse from the time God created the Garden of Eden. Then the Lord God planted a garden in Eden in the east, and there He placed the man He had made. Genesis 2:8. Next, we have an easel. An easel helps artists paint beautiful pictures. Let's see what our artist is painting today. Wow, what a colorful rainbow! Easel starts with E. Can you say easel?
Easel!
Look who we have here, Eddie the elephant. Elephants are big and gentle animals. They live in the jungle and love to eat fruit. Elephants are so cool. Now, let's not forget about eggs. Eggs are used in lots of tasty recipes. Can you think of a yummy dish with eggs? How about scrambled eggs or egg salad? Eggs are so versatile and delicious. Let's say eggs together.
Egg!
Fantastic! We've learned so much about the letter E today. Before we say goodbye, let's review our E words one more time. We had eggplant, easel, elephant, and eggs.
Sparky the Monkey forgot one word. Can you guess which one it is? That's right. It's the word Eden.
Thanks for joining us on this E adventure, kids. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more alphabet fun. See you next time on Alphabet Adventures. Bye-bye, everyone.
Big and grand, E is for eggs that we cook with a pan.